equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 514 ITL05 is powered off and unplugged. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any accidental damage. Now, let's gather the tools you'll need for this process. You will require a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth for any dusting. First, flip your laptop over to access the bottom panel. You'll notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. If you find this task a bit daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. As you lift the panel, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside with your microfiber cloth. A clean laptop not only looks better but can also improve performance. Now, with the bottom panel removed, locate the motherboard. The serial number is typically printed on a sticker attached to the motherboard. It may be in a small, hard-to-reach area, so you might need to adjust the position of the panel slightly to get a clear view. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your device serviced without any hassle. Once you've located the serial number, take a moment to write it down. This number is essential for warranty claims, support, and repairs. If you need to contact Lenovo support, having this number handy will streamline the process. After you've noted the serial number, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the bottom panel back onto the device, ensuring all clips are aligned properly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly so, as this could strip the screws. If you're unsure about any of these steps or if you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. Finally, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 514 ITL05 and ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you experience any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for help. With our services, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel, making the repair process as smooth as possible. Now you're all set with your serial number, and your laptop is back in working order. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.